Hello guys, welcome back. This is your boy Kevin here, and in this video I just want to tell you that I've been away for quite some time now. There are people who have seen in my email that have contacted me. They haven't heard from me, and most of them are those people who have subscribed and turned on the notification, but it happens that I haven't given them the access to the private group. So I'm very sorry for that, because I've been away for quite some time now, but now I'm back. I'll be teaching you the way I used to. It's just that I was doing some 1 2 3, like I was trading here and there, but I wasn't trading much. But now I am back. So I was just growing this account. This is my small account. So as you can see, this is my demo account over here, and this is my real account. I've been just been doing it. This is a real account. I can even refresh, you see. So you see, I've just refreshed. Everything is just the same. So this is my real account, right guys? This is my real account. So if you have subscribed but you haven't heard from me, I'll just give you I'll just leave the link in the description. In that link in the description, you will click it, and I'll also check your mail name. If it's on the mail, I will accept you to the group. So you still have to have subscribed and turn on the notification. And if I see your name on that Telegram group, Telegram link, then I will accept you to the Telegram group. So all of you guys who haven't heard from me for quite some time now, it's just that I am now back, and I'll accept you all into the group. And all those who wanted the bots, I'll also have the bots in the group. So whatever the bots you want in the group, there are people who will help you. There are a lot of guys there who are trading with those bots, and they know. They will tell you exactly where they are. I'll also be in the group, show you step by step on how we are going to trade onwards. Everybody will be accepted in the group if you have subscribed and turn on the notification. And after that, I will also be trading also forex. I'll just embark on the forex tutorials from the next videos, the forthcoming videos. I will also be trading the DERIV platform, which is the synthetic indices, as we are used to trade, right? So I'll go. So this is my video for this day, and I'll see you in the next lecture.